Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to easily buy Bitcoin with Cash App right now. So let's get started. So the first step you will have to do is to go to Cash App and log into your account. Once logged in, on the bottom left hand side you'll see your money. Click on it. Once in here under save and invest, you'll see an option for Bitcoin. Tap on it. And now to buy Bitcoin, just click on the buy option on the left hand side. And now here you'll be able to buy Bitcoin with any amount of money you like. But if you want to buy using a custom amount, just click on the three dots on the bottom right hand side and choose your custom value. Now just click on next on the bottom, and then Cash App will ask you to confirm your details, and if they are correct, just click on continue at the bottom. Another way with which you can buy Bitcoin is by doing an auto investment feature. So just click on the change order type option. Now over here just click on auto invest. Now here it will automatically buy Bitcoin depending on if you choose it daily, weekly, bi-weekly. But for auto investing you do need at least $10 for recurring purchases. And then just click on done on the bottom. And again Cash App will ask you to recheck your details, and if they are correct just click on confirm. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.